Hello Tech Buddies, welcome to day 10 of our 21-day Webflow challenge. So right now we are going to be working on adding reCAPTCHA to our form. And the reason for adding reCAPTCHA is to avoid bots and people spamming messages and bots in our portfolio website contact form. So right now let me just dive in. So this is the page right here, and I am going to come to this place, come to form, double click. Yep. So this is the form, this is the paragraph. Yeah. So let's go into the form. So the captcha is going to be somewhere here after the text here. So I'm going to press Ctrl E and I'm going to write reCAPTCHA. Yep. So that's the reCAPTCHA button, which is quite cool. So you see the thing says site key must be set in project settings form. So it's telling me to set it. So right now that's what we are going to set right now. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to come to site settings. So under site settings now, we are going to come to form, and you can see form here. So let's look at form. So we are going to put the key here, the reCAPTCHA version 2 site key and the reCAPTCHA version 2 secret key. So I'm going to come to register a new key. So you can see that. So we are going to register a new key. So you can see that. So in this place now, I'm going to be naming it contact chef portfolio.com challenge 2. I'm not a robot checkbox, you can see that. Then add a domain, gashacm.com. And the second one which I'm going to be adding right now is the second one which I'm going to be adding right now is under let's come to general. I want us to pick the initial site name. I'm coming. So language is not here. It's not here. I just want to pick that name and put it there. Let's come to publishing. Yep. So this is the second one. So Margaret the trendy dash site. So .webflow.io. So that's what I'm going to be putting. .webflow.io, which is quite cool. So we've added that, and open this. So you've seen that. I'm not a robot. Google Cloud Platform. Yep. Then submit. See? So the reCAPTCHA is set already. So this is the site key and this is the secret key. So I'm going to copy the site key now. So I've copied the site key and I'm going to come to forms. So you navigate to forms and I'm going to come down. So site key, paste. You've seen that. Then I'm going to also copy the secret key. So copy secret key and I'm going to paste it down here. So you've seen that enable reCAPTCHA. So reCAPTCHA on, reCAPTCHA validation is enabled to all forms on this side. So I'm going to save. You've seen that, save successfully. So we've actually set our reCAPTCHA on this. So let's go directly to the designer. So it's redirecting us back to the designer's page, which reCAPTCHA is set already. So it's redirecting us back to the reCAPTCHA side. Okay, to our form. Let me refresh this to ensure that it shows. Yeah. So we are going to just go to our form page. So come to pages and come to contact and scroll down. So you've seen it's no longer showing what it's showing. So right now, let's check it on this. Let's check it on this. It's quite cool. But once you check it here, you see that the reCAPTCHA is overlapping, is moving off from this point. So what I'm going to do right now is to come to forms. Oh, I made a mistake. Okay, form block. Open the form block. Form. So I'm going to just press Ctrl E and I'm going to search for a div block. So this div block is right here. So in this div block, I'm just going to put my reCAPTCHA in the div block. So you've seen that the reCAPTCHA is in the div block. So right now, I'm going to name this reCAPTCHA wrapper. I've saved that as reCAPTCHA wrapper. And I'm going to apply some transform to the origin. Yeah. So let's apply to the top. So I've applied that to the top. And now I'll be able to scale. So let's scale now. 4.6, which is quite cool, or 0.5. 4.5 is quite cool. So this is it, and it's making sense right now on all device. The reCAPTCHA is showing on all device. So you can see that looking cool. The form is looking great. Everything about the form is on point, and you can see that for yourself. So this is how to set a reCAPTCHA form. This is how to set it. This is how to build it, and this is how to set it on all pages. I want to see if this is aligned text center. I want to see. Yep. Let me put this in text center, which is quite okay. Yep. So you can see that making sense. Everything about the contact form is on point and it's actually making sense. So make sure you like and subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and make sure you share with anyone who is interested in watching this video. So I'll see you tomorrow in day 11 of our course, which we're going to be treating about SEO. So thank you. Bye.